Some pitfalls. Partnerships. There's a great case called All Color Chemicals. We had two qualified CCPCs who did work together as a partnership. And then they went to file to get the refundable credits. And unfortunately, CRA and the judge said, hey, sadly, the act is quite clear. Partnerships only get 20%. Even though you guys individually would have got the enhanced credits and the Ontario credits, you did it as a partnership. And even went on to say, had you done it as a joint venture, you would have been okay. But legally, as soon as you create a partnership, that's a whole different entity. The act is crystal clear. 20% non-refundable, or 15% non-refundable now. Okay? No carry forward to pool, things like that, right? Okay? And no allocation to the limited partner. So it's only a general partner. If you're a limited partner, you have no entitlement to tax credits whatsoever.
Just repeat that again. So that if two companies do a partnership, that's what happens.
Correct.
If you do a joint venture,
correct.
Then it's okay.
I have a whole article on this. And the hilarious thing is, in the United States, there's really no difference between a partnership and a joint venture. We make the distinction here in Canada between it. And we have like 5, 6 criteria. You know, joint venture is usually a fixed length, and each company keeps its own expenses on its own books, and you know, a lot of different. They don't create a separate entity. So you want to, if you're going to do that, get the paper of difference between partnership and joint venture. Just make sure you follow it, and you're going to be okay.
It is a pretty fuzzy line, though, isn't it?
Very fuzzy. Like I say, there's so much judgment on many of these things that you know, you make sure your practice insurance is paid up, because you may have done nothing wrong, but just someone doesn't agree with your judgment, right? So it's not necessarily a mistake as a error in judgment, let's call it, or a difference in judgment, and that's where it gets it gets a little scary at that point.